What up, y'all? What up, y'all? What up? Hold on, let me do that again. What up, y'all? As you guys can see, I couldn't take screenshots of everything, but you can kind of see my trading view chart thing right here. But this was from the Zoom class this morning in the New York trading session with Futrix. I told you guys people are going to be making some good money. And I wish I would have took screenshots of the others because somebody, these are the people who we called out. We looked at a gold trade setup, and people were in profit. There were more people who made money, but I could only get so much on a screenshot. 320, 100. Somebody did 50, somebody did 246, somebody did 340, somebody did 319, somebody did 260, then somebody said they made 2600 last night in the Asian session. Somebody said they made this, that, and the other. So again, guys, I'm just telling you guys, I told you that, hey, we got rid of the Wednesday free class, but hey, I think you guys like this better. So you got the beautiful Miss Jenny on Tuesdays and Thursdays during the New York session. You got me on Wednesdays during the New York session. And then you also have me 3 nights a week for those who can't attend because of work schedules. We do have the Asian session, which is starts at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or New York time, Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So, yeah, we popping, bro. We popping. So again, if you want to be copied on trades, and you just don't want to have anything to do with it, and you want to be copied on trades, then Super Easy Copycat is the one for you. If you want to be live in session with us as we're trading. And this is what you're seeing right here, where people are literally making profits right there, looking over our shoulder. Then Futrix.com is for you. Okay, so we got something for everybody. We're just trying to help people make money this year so that you can get out of debt and not worry about what's going on with this economy. Okay, all right. Peace and hair grease. I told y'all.